Mingo, why are you sitting like that? What are you doing, baby? Why are you sitting like that? Are you silly? No. You wonder why I ask you, don't you? What are you doing, Mingo? What are you doing? Why is she sitting like that? She's so cute. Are you cute, Mingo? With Mama? Mingo, are you comfortable? Is she comfy? What are you doing? You just like sitting like that, don't you?